Hello, YouTube. So, I drove all the way to the freaking skate park, and it's super closed. They locked it up, got spikes on the top. Can't get in there. Well, I probably could, but I don't really want to fuck with it. Because apparently some kids vandalized the rules sign. So, I was gonna do a bike spin today. I got a cool new seat post from Bike Spin. They sent me the seat post like this, and it allows me to, oh shit. It allows me to rotate my seat around. And I was gonna do a trick like this, something like that. Guess we'll go ride street instead. Okay, so first street spot today. I'm gonna try to hop up this thing and hopefully I don't fall in the trash. Oh, no. Yes. Count it. Never ridden street in this city before either. It's pretty dope. It's kind of fun. All right, I'm gonna do a hop whip, and then I'm gonna hop whip off the sledge. Hopefully I don't die. Frick. It's starting to rain. It's raining and I'm gonna die. All right, guys. We're gonna explore some more, even in the rain. We don't care. We don't care up in here. We don't care. It's so pretty. Yeah. I don't know where I'm going either. I have no idea how the city's laid out. Well, shit. It's starting to rain harder. It's not the only thing that's getting harder. BMX. I'm getting old. I just saw some dope freaking ledges, and we are gonna do a cannonball in the rain. I don't even care. I don't even care. Okay, yeah, I stand corrected. These ledges aren't dope at all. These ledges suck. But I'm still gonna do a cannonball off of here into here. I'll hit myself in the freaking face. Yeah, that was dope. Of course, that angle sucked. Round two. I'm gonna do a one-handed one. I've never done it in a hop, so here we go. I don't even care. You guys have seen me do cannonballs before. I'm not quitting. But it's raining and it's getting dark, so I want to explore. Pier time, yeah. Yeah. Look at this freaking grind box. This will be perfect for my pegs. It's like super wet out here. Like my friggin', it's like Atlantis. That was sick. Okay. I think it about calls it for the day. I've never done a switch whip off anything higher than a curb, so that was pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. It is water outside. Yeah, yeah. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Let's go under the tunnel. Yeah, 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 yeah.